Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Hey everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. I hope you're all doing really well. Today is mine and Aiden's 7-year anniversary. Woohoo! And Aiden just bought me a card and a little present, so I'm going to open it on camera. My present for Aiden actually hasn't come yet because I'm the worst girlfriend in the world. But it should hopefully come tomorrow. I think because it's fall on a Sunday, it's kind of been a bit awkward. Thanks, Aiden. Aiden bought me a ring light because basically the ring light that I've got is small and it's not actually like the sort of size that I wanted it to be, and I just basically needed some new like techie equipment. This is the RL142, so like 2nd edition LED soft ring light. I don't know where it's from.
It's on top here.
It's from Neuter. I think that's where Carrie's one's from as well. Our plan today is to do some scrapbooking. We're going to be doing like all of our holiday scrapbooks from like the first time we went abroad together in 2016 was to Paris. We're going to start off with that scrapbook and then make our way through and do one for Mexico. Then what comes after Mexico? Oh, Italy, then Greece.
Bali, Turkey.
And then Turkey and Bali.
Exists, really.
Right, so should we go make some nice breakfast? Oh, we're going to make some smoothie bowls for breakfast, weren't we? That's our plan today. We're going to make some smoothie bowls, scrapbook, and then Aiden's cooking me dinner. Right, so it's pretty much brunch now. For brunch we're going to make some smoothie bowls, and I think we're going to do like this sort of, well, I'm going to sort of do the recipe I used to do at uni all the time. And I'm actually, just to be a bit cringe, we bought these in Bali for like our future home. And they're what all of the smoothie bowls in Bali were put in, like sort of like coconut styled bowls. So we're going to put the smoothie bowls in here just to be a little bit extra. Fuck's sake. So this is what they look like. We've got the strawberry crisp granola, we've got some banana on top, inside we've got frozen berries and banana and ice cubes, and then now I'm just going to put some chia seeds on top and we'll be sorted. Now ready for the day. I've just done my makeup. I've just got my everyday like classic with like a sort of nudie lip, and then I'm wearing this cute little dress from Boohoo. It sort of looks quite unflattering like from this angle, I don't know, but it's sort of like a little peplum sort of floaty sort of smock dress. It looks really cute. I'll show you it when we get out maybe, but yeah, I'm really liking it. Aiden's been to the shop to get some stuff for our dinner tonight, which I'm really excited about. I have actually no idea what he's making.
By shop you mean Pizza Hut?
If you got me a Pizza Hut, I'd be sick. Not because I'm ungrateful. Like if Aiden got me a KFC, I'd be like, oh, that's cool. But I just don't like Pizza Hut, so I'd be like, oh, great. I'm gonna head over to Aiden's now. We're making food at Aiden's just because it's a bit quieter in there. Okay, so Aiden's just going into Asda, I think, because he's gone to grab something in there. I'm not sure what he's making at all for dinner, but I'm actually really excited because surprise. If you know me, you'll know that I not hate surprises, I love a surprise, but I'm so impatient that I always want to know exactly what he's doing. So I'm gonna have to refrain from looking in the boot because he's got all of the other ingredients in there. But yeah, I just wanted to have a bit of a chat because I feel like I haven't updated you all. I got my degree results obviously last week, so I've been celebrating with my family, which has been really nice. And yeah, thank you for all of the love and support on my Instagram in particular, because that's where I've been talking about it a lot. That's my biggest platform at the minute, so it's been really nice to sort of like share my story on there with everyone and getting to chat to so many of you about what you're doing in your life, like what you got in your degrees and stuff. It's been really fab. Lots of trolley noises, so I really apologise for that. I really do like this boohoo dress though. I'm really excited to show you it properly when we get out the car. I'm not sure if I've ever shared the story, but basically Aiden asked me out on the school field at lunch, like 5 minutes before like lunch finished, and all of our friends were around and it sort of made me feel a bit peer pressured and sort of like forced to say yes. But I am actually glad that I said yes, because here we are 7 years later. And literally like Aiden's like my best mate as well. I'm sure, I feel like obviously because I don't share Aiden on my vlogs, not out of choice, I'd love to share Aiden more in my vlogs, but he's not very confident on camera or doesn't really like being filmed, which I completely respect. So that's why you obviously haven't seen very much of him over the years that I have been vlogging. He mainly appears in the travel vlogs because he doesn't mind being shown on them as much. I don't know why. That's sort of like the story of Aiden asking me to be his girlfriend. We'd been speaking for I think a couple of months before, and I feel like especially when I brought Aiden back to my house the first time when we were, what, 14? My mum would have been like, oh God, it's probably just one of Charlotte's like silly little relationships, you know. Both of our parents probably thought the same thing, but it's kind of crazy how we've like grown up through our childhood and now we're, you know, like fully fledged adults getting thrown into our 20s, you know. So we're now at Aiden's. I'm actually going to show you my dress now properly, if I can just pop this on the side. This is what it looks like. I'll leave a link in case anyone's interested, but look, I think that's so cute. It's like a little sort of, I think it's called like a puffer dress, but it's sort of like weirdly like smock. It doesn't like flatter the figure as such, it doesn't like suck you in, but I just think it's really cute and floaty, perfect for summer, and I really like the material. It feels really good quality as well. Like I feel like you'd find something like this in Zara. Me and Aiden just watched The Lion King, had some snacks and stuff, and now Aiden's gonna start making us dinner, which I'm very excited for. I did hear and have a little bit of a sneak peek. I've seen tofu, I've seen some ciabatta, which I love. Like I always go, I'm really basic, but I always go for like ciabatta, dipped in like olive oil and balsamic vinegar for starters. So I feel like that's what he's gone for starters, and I'm not sure about mains. I don't know, I'm very excited. And I've just been going through my emails as well whilst we've been watching Lion King in the background and getting up a vlog. But I have just emailed back a lovely girl called Charlotte who watches my videos, and I think she watches Carrie's as well, has emailed both of us about doing a confidence speakers course. She's kindly gifted us the confidence speakers course, and we're going to be doing it, which is going to be amazing, like to boost our CVs and like take part in this course that will help us become more confident in communicating in front of like large crowds and public speaking and stuff. And that's something that does actually terrify me a lot, because I find I stutter quite a bit, and I obviously cut that out of my vlogs, and I feel like sometimes you can probably tell that I'm not very great at like speaking on the spot. Obviously I'm quite confident to an extent, because otherwise I wouldn't be uploading YouTube videos, but I feel like this course could really help boost me to talk more in like interviews, scenarios and stuff like this. And my initial thought when I saw the email was like, oh my god, I'm like really nervous and scared, and I think that's a good thing, because I should be pushing myself to do stuff that I'm not comfortable with. I feel like it's always great to get out of your comfort zone, otherwise you're always going to stay in like a safety net your whole life. This is your reminder, if there's something in life that will actually benefit you in the long run or benefit your life that you're scared of doing, please do it. I'm just as terrified as you are. I'm very nervous in case we get asked something in the workshop. My first session's tomorrow, 9:30 till 11:30 I think it is. But yeah, Carrie should be in there as well. It's all done online via Zoom. So yeah, that'll be exciting to do like another course as well. Like I said, I already miss uni stuff, so hopefully it'll be fun. I'm just feeling in a very good mood this weekend. I'm now gonna wait for my lovely dinner to be made. I'm feeling very grateful in life, and I'm very happy that I can now spend more time with Aiden, obviously, because we can be in each other's households openly, and our families are okay with it as well. I feel like a lot of people aren't considering other people's families as well. Like if you're interacting with people and getting close to people that aren't in your households, you should be double checking with your family members that it's okay and that they feel comfortable with you mixing with other people as well. So Aiden's revealed the meal. So we're having Thai green curry. It's the first time I'm ever gonna have this as a meal, which is crazy. And it literally looks amazing. It's got tofu. What else have we got in there?
Green, well, it's like the basic thing of a Thai green curry, but it's got broccoli, green beans, monge too. I put tofu in there, green pepper, and then so it's like really, it's got like kaffir, lime, ginger.
You say chili?
Yeah, 2 green chilies.
Okay, I'm well excited.
Yeah.
And then for starter, Aiden's literally basically got all of my favourite things for starters. So we've got garlic bread that Aiden's made, and then we've got some spring rolls, which I love, veggie spring rolls, and then we've got chicken gyozas. So literally like all my favourite things to like nibble on, so we're gonna have those alongside the curry. And then we've got jasmine rice, haven't we over there? Thai jasmine rice. I have no idea what we're having for dessert yet, but I'm really excited. About to pour us some Prosecco.
So let's vibe on the side for a bit.
Aiden's just served up the starters, and I know this probably looks like a lot, but we've literally only had a smoothie bowl today, and considering we're having obviously like our curry and rice afterwards.
Enjoying ourselves, so fuck off.
Yeah, I second that, to be fair, before anyone comes for me. So we have just finished our starters, and Aiden's just brought over the main. So this is what the Thai green curry looks like. Like I said, we've got tofu in here, then we've got jasmine rice. So yeah, looks peng. Oh, thank you very much. Prego. Then for dessert, we've got lemon mascarpone.
Lemon and mascarpone roulade.
With some Cornish ice cream, which is amazing. So we're gonna have that for dessert. We just had a little bit of a break because we almost died.